Hi and welcome to this course. This is the best-selling Flutter course, and there are a couple of reasons why it is and why students are loving it and why I hope that you will also get a lot out of it. Now, first of all, this is the most comprehensive Flutter course, and I know that there are other courses stating the same. Now, for one, of course, you can have a look at its length and you see that this course is packed with content, but I'll be honest, the hours alone shouldn't be your primary indicator for how good or bad a course is. It's easy to bloat a course with a bunch of useless content, with multiple applications where each app isn't that useful, is very small, doesn't really show anything useful, or just repeats what you already learned. So it's not just the hours, but this course has tons of content in there. We'll start at all the basics. You'll need no prior knowledge about Flutter or Dart. We'll explore how Flutter works, what the fundamentals are. We'll explore the Dart language and you'll learn it side by side with Flutter. And then we'll dive deeper into Flutter. You will learn how it works behind the scenes, all its important internals that also allow you to optimize your apps. We'll dive into styling and theming, how to build apps with multiple screens and how to navigate between these screens with forward and backward navigation, with tabs, with side drawers and much more. We'll have a look at how to manage data and state in more complex applications, a crucial feature in any realistic app. We'll have a look at sending HTTP requests, user authentication, or using native device features like working with the device camera or Google Maps, and so much more. Simply have a look at the curriculum and you'll see all the content that's in the course. Now, in addition to this being a very comprehensive course, it's also a fully up-to-date course. As with all my courses, I keep this course up to date. And actually, 1 year after the initial release of this course, I did entirely recreate and re-record this entire course to bring it up to date with the latest, now stable version of Flutter, and also to improve this course based on the feedback other students provided. This course now offers many apps instead of one large app. It offers more exercises. I dive deeper into certain concepts you wanted to learn more about. And overall, this is the best possible Flutter course I could have created, and I'm super excited about it. And now, besides the course being comprehensive and fully up to date, you also get support in this course. I do read and reply in the course Q&A section regularly, and I do answer all the course-related questions in there. Now, that's why I think people are loving the course, and they clearly are, and why I think that you will also get a lot out of the course. But who am I? My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller. I'm a 5-star rated instructor here on Udemy, have multiple best-selling courses, and I love Flutter. I've been working with Flutter since its early alpha days, and it's been some time since then, and I've followed its development, and I just love working with it. In this course, I teach you Flutter from scratch so that by the end of the course, you really are a Flutter developer capable of building complete Flutter apps on your own. And you will learn all of that in a project-based, example-driven way where we will build multiple apps in the course so that you can step-by-step learn and practice all the important Flutter skills you need. I would love to welcome you in this course as well, and I can't wait to start this journey together with you.